We're up early today. I'm actually pretty excited. Got some fun plans. You guys probably don't know if you know from the title or not. I tend to like try to hype things up. Like, oh, you guys have no idea how cool what we're doing today is. And then I'm like, oh wait, I'll probably put it as the title. So I just sound like an idiot. But we're taking the Mustang today. So that's cool. Missed a little V8 in my life. When you roll up on a GTR that smells like race gas, you know better than to mess with it. Although I might just be smelling the Ignite from my own car, so I don't know. It's got a high idle though, so I think that thing's pretty legit. What are you two guys doing? What? I need an extra 2 cylinders in my life. Alberto's washing his car, Tommy's washing his car. It's almost like we're going to a car meet or something. Weird. Zach's eating a sandwich. Shut. So Alberto finally did a surge tank, upgraded his fuel system on this car so he can make more power. It actually came out really, really nice. I dig it. Missed out bringing mine here. Bunch of cool Porsches in the house. This gray one over here actually used to had a like cup car engine swapped in it, so it's a 4-liter. It's pretty cool. There's a bunch of these things. I don't know what those are. This looks like a street sweeper, maybe. Cool looking signal green Supra. Of course at Titan you can see a lot of really, really nice Supra builds. Again, struggling with the light. I need like an ND filter or something for my camera. Oh, look at that, I actually have a built-in ND filter. Does that look better? Big horsepower 2Js are just a dime a dozen here at Titan Motorsports. You're good. Dang, sick white Evo. Bet the owner's a jerk. Another Supra. Yeah, dude, honestly, everybody's got them now. I don't know if I want mine anymore.
Oh god, the color's perfect.
You're perfect, Shulman.
Thanks.
Yeah, where's your car, Shulman?
Home, big pieces.
Man, dude, I could have brought the GT3 RS here. It would have been all orange and stuff with my orange friends. Shulman's talking crap about all the cars here. Such a crap talker. Oh, you like blue? So we got you more blue for your blue. Imagine if we had all this parking for our open house. Always got all the nice builds parked in front, and then inside, get all the really, 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 really cool stuff on the lifts. We've been here before though. Drag cars are sick. I need one. Alberto revving his engine as always. Got the squad. Dang, dude. Wrap ideas for my mom's car. It's cool, they're doing live dynos here at Titan Motorsports. We're playing a little game where we're betting to see how much power a car makes with only hearing it. So right now on this one, we got a cammed out GTO, it sounds like. Tommy bet 420, or 450? 450. I bet 400. Pat, what'd you bet?
361.
All right. Navo can hold the money.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed the pull. What was it, Navo? 409? Give me the money. All right, so we got an RS5 on the dyno. What are the bets, guys? I bet 500 because this thing to me looked like it was tuned.
485 because it's heat soaked.
What? That was your bet?
Yep.
Yeah.
469. 420.
I think Alberto said like 430 or something. Shulman's just on his phone.
No.
What did you bet?
437.
437?
Now it's tuned, so.
Yeah, we did find out after we already locked in the bets that it is tuned, so I think this thing is definitely gonna be 500 plus. I don't know Audis, but like, you're at a Titan open house with an RS5, it's gotta have at least a tune. Made 442. Oh boy, there goes all that money. I've never gotten to hear my own car on the dyno. Am I sick? You know it's fast, you gotta get people standing in the trunk. The car's acting up kind of funny, and it was 697. It was breaking up, and it did a weird stally thing. I still think it's smart. Still sounded cool.
It did. Definitely sound good.
Yeah, you can see where it was breaking up, but it did make S15. It's not terrible.
Torque though. Oh, that can't be the right torque reading, is it?
No, the torque reading was off. Yeah, so we're actually gonna change the plugs and clean injectors here while we're at Titan. The car just started breaking up a little bit under higher load, so just want to make sure we play safe instead of ripping it on the dyno. So they got the injectors in an ultrasonic bath. So while we're chilling, they'll get clean, and then hopefully we can test it on the way back. Make sure everything's good. My friend Blant had a GZX 100, and now he's got this sick Laurel. I want to hear it. Do you do this?
Huh?
You do this?
Nah.
Ah.
I wish I did though.
Let's hear it. This thing's sick, man. Got a good old 1,000 horsepower Super on the dyno. I gotta have people in the trunk, so it must be fast.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, that looks so comfortable. capacitor and tire changer set up here. This thing's actually really, really quiet because it's just low RPM. We've been playing games, seeing who could mount tires the fastest. Alberto made a fool of himself on my wheels because he was trying to be careful, so now he's trying to go as fast as he can with his own wheel. What were the times? Alberto took like 10 minutes to take a tire off. I took like 4.
He did, and you did 4 minutes 35.
And I could probably do it faster, and he probably can too. We're just getting used to the machine and like all the little like rubber pieces and all the helper arms.
He's messing up right now.
Is he?
I think you're gonna win, Adam.
You think?
He's already at 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Don't mess up those sweet Koenigs, brother.
Brother, come on, brother.
Vroom, vroom. Completely forgot about this, but our Canadian friend Brian is stopping by and dropping off like 50 tires from 2 companies called Zeknova and Lansale for us to do a testing day later this week with the S13, the S15, and the Z to kind of like compare different tires and stuff. So they literally just showed up with like a U-Haul trailer full of tires. Sick.